Parents and guardians of South Milwaukee high school and middle school students. I'm Brian Gannon. I'm the technology coordinator for the district, and I am here to show you how to set up your PowerSchool single sign-on account. This new feature of PowerSchool will allow you as a parent or guardian to have access to all of your students without having to sign in and out of PowerSchool with separate accounts for each child. In order to get started, visit the URL shown on my screen. This is the same URL that you have visited in the past to access student accounts. You will notice a new tab that is shown up on the PowerSchool sign-in page that's labeled Create Account. We can start by clicking on that and then clicking on the blue button that says Create Account. We start with basic information about yourself. In this fourth field, you get to pick a username. This is completely up to you. There are no rules or regulations on what you can use, so pick something that you will easily remember. And then the password. The only rule with the password is it has to be at least 6 characters long. Enter your password twice. Then down below is when you get to start entering your children. Now this process has to be done for everyone in the district, even if you only have one child. So we begin by entering our first child. You then enter your parent web access ID that you will be receiving in the mail. As well as your web access password. The final step is to choose your relationship with the student. And then you can follow up that same process with any other children. Now make sure you look carefully because the access ID and password are going to be different for each of your children. And reminder again that you are using the web access ID for the parent, not the student. Once you've entered all your children, and by default it has up to 7 that you can enter, you can click Enter. If done correctly, you should see this screen that says, "Congratulations, your new parent account has been created. Enter your username and password to start using your new account." This would be the username and password that you just created. So I'm going to enter my information and sign in. And now you can see that we've got email notification that you can set up. We've got the school bulletin that you can receive, and you can change some of your account preferences. The best feature of this, however, is the fact that up at the top left corner, both of my students are listed. So I can easily toggle between my two students to see their individual grades and attendance. When you are finished, you can sign out. It'll bring you back to the login page. One more feature is if you ever forget your password, you can click on the little link here that says having trouble signing in. You can enter your username and your email address that's on file and click enter, and it will send you a password reset link. If you have any questions regarding this single sign-on feature, please contact your student's school secretary. Thank you for your time.